This was never supposed to be a track car. I built this car to air out, to look good at meets, not to rip corners or to go fast. But here we are, my first ever track day with my bagged FRS. Now the only prep we did to the car was throw on the 17-inch stock wheels because I didn't really want to be running my 18-inch wide sport wheels with stretch tires on the track. There was a huge chance I would debead or I would ruin them, which is two things I did not want to do. Now, I tried my best to do some research on tracking a bagged car. I couldn't really find a lot online, so today can either end up really good or it can end up really bad.
This is gonna be so loud, bro.
Yeah. I'm good to go?
Yeah, you're good. No one's on track.
You're third to fourth?
Go to like, yeah, third to fourth. Wow, you got down better than that, bro.
I was turning.
Alright, now keep it third the whole way.
Nobody's behind me, right?
Yeah, you're good. Good. Let off. Let up. Yeah. Alright, back in. Brake hard. Yeah. Let off. Brake a little bit. Very good. It's a long turn.
That right there was lap 1. For all you track nerds, you guys probably cringed at the whole entire thing. Honestly, the biggest thing that I was trying to do was just to get a feel of the track and how it's like, because this was my first time ever driving on the track. My shifts were pretty horrible. At some points, you guys would have seen me hold the clutch in when taking some of the turns because I was afraid that the car would spin out, and I was taking the turns very slowly. My next lap, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to gain a little bit more confidence, go a bit faster, have better shifts, and have a bit better of a racing line, because the racing line was non-existent in the first lap.
I'm learning, bro. I'm sorry.
No, he's putting his hand up because he knows you're gonna. Honestly, the car feels pretty stiff for like having bikes. It's not bad.
Yeah, it doesn't feel that bad.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be much worse.
Yeah.
Shifting third to fourth, I hit the gas. stayed in third there. I don't know if I was switching to fourth.
No, third is good.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you just gotta stay in third. Even if you get right to the top, you're sick.
Yeah.
It was really good.
Getting better and better.
Yeah, bro. A lot better. And you're still like, you're trying to like baby the car a little bit just so it doesn't get hurt.
Yeah.
Sick.
Another thing I keep doing is when I'm going third to fourth, I need to let out the gas faster,
Yeah.
put the clutch in, and then put it into fourth. I keep touching the gas,
Yeah.
so it's like bouncing off of the... It's probably the Air Forces too, bro. Air Forces are kind of heavy.
Maybe, yeah. I put on thinner shoes, but I don't know for how much it helps me.
That was like 8 laps in a row because the first 6 the camera audio didn't record, and then these last 2 or 3, I don't remember how many I did, but those ones were with the audio. Hopefully I'm gonna open the hood and let some air get into here because it is hot. Sheesh.
I am honestly surprised that the bags handled as nicely as they did. My setup definitely looks nice, but it isn't the comfiest and it is bouncy at times. I didn't really have that issue here on track. I can understand why coilovers are the preferred setup, and I feel like I definitely would have performed better with coilovers, but you can definitely track a car on bags, and I can't wait to be here again. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video at any point in time, make sure you guys are hitting this video with a like. Let's try to smash 50 likes. And also, if you guys are watching and aren't subscribed yet, join the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Thank you guys once again, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.